The Mavic 2 Enterprise is the perfect tool to add quality aerial imaging and a host of applications that can be indispensable in all industries, such as those that need security monitoring, thermal imaging, search and rescue, construction, and inspection. The Mavic 2 Enterprise comes with a spotlight for security or directing and detecting lost persons with greater ease, a loudspeaker for communicating with ground teams or victims during emergency situations, and a beacon for conducting night missions, allowing other pilots to easily spot you from a distance while you're operating on site. As well, if you get the dual camera thermal version, you'll have the ability to monitor heat signatures and capture 4K video at the same time. And with Drone World kits, you'll have even greater versatility with the Enterprise, with custom molded cases, additional batteries for extended jobs, and boosted helical antennas that give you better signal in even the most challenging conditions. Featuring our sling backpack, which allows for incredibly fast launching right out of the bag, and the Drone World Thor charger, which can charge multiple batteries at the same time. Order yours today from droneworld.com and take your business to the next level.